Everyone is safe and secure. My name is Garima Talukdar, belong from a place known for its serenity and diversity, Assam. Currently pursuing my graduation in English Honours, I am a trained Bharatanatyam classical dancer. I have performed many national and international dance competitions from a very young age. Some of my keen interests are I love to experiment with art and craft, and traveling all around and experience with new culture, new people and new food is what I love the most. I started my journey in the field of modeling and beauty pageant without any course, without any idea. Even with more exposure and experience, I really achieved a certain level of achievement which imbibed me to a great level of sportsmanship. But I have faced many problems regarding choosing my dreams. Despite many ups and downs, social discrimination, rejection, I have never given up because I think if you're sincere and passionate about your goal in your life, nothing can stop you from that. You are all the way up.
Namaskar. My name is Monica Gogoi and I am 25 years old. I come from the land of the warrior clan that is Assam. As a child, I was always intimidated about my skin color. But later on, music boosted my confidence and I became a sociable person. Also, I won 3 pageants in college, school and university, and therefore it boosted my confidence. And today, here I am to be the voice of all those women out there who feels intimidated about their skin color. I want to tell them that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And you just need your soul to be beautiful and confident. And Miss India is the platform which can give me this opportunity. Thank you.
Being authentic begins with unconditional self-acceptance and imperfections. Therefore, I believe in embracing the self given by the Almighty. Namaskar. My name is Saptashikha Nath and I come from a land mostly known for its scenic beauty, Assam. Assam is also home to one-horned Indian rhinoceros. I'm 19 and currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in English Honours. From a very young age, I have grown interest in this glorious world, and thus I have started pageantry and modeling as well as acting since the age of 15. I want to leave a mark in this beautiful world through my good deeds. And I strongly believe that Miss India is not only going to give me that opportunity, but also a chance to fulfill my dream to become Miss India. Thank you.
Namaskar. I'm Trishula Bejbora from Jorhat, Assam. I'm a civil engineer by education and a social worker by aspiration. I feel the best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. For that reason, I have been working with UNICEF to eradicate malnutrition, anemia, and fetal death among the underdeveloped class of people. I'm also a keen animal lover and I love playing sports. Being from a small town in Assam, I'm really thankful to have parents who has always motivated me and supported me to achieve my big dreams. So, I want to use this platform of Miss India organization to extend my strength and set standards for young women to be the change they wish to see in this world. For it is the little drops of water that makes the mighty oceans. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Namrata Bora and I'm 20 years old. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts in English Literature. I hail from the world's biggest river island, Majuli. Being a small town girl, my parents have always taught me to stand strong for my goals and whatever drives my passion. And that is why I aspire to become the next Femina Miss India. My hobbies include painting, dancing, singing, and I have been associated with various NGOs for child rights and protection. People say that I am a happy-go-lucky girl who believes in the philosophy of never give up. If someone asks me what is the secret to happiness, I wouldn't say a person is happy when everything is right in their lives, but it is when we have the right attitude to deal with all the obstacles. My parents are my biggest inspiration and I hope to make them proud someday. Thank you so much.
Born and raised in a family who takes honor to be called as their farmer and deeply devoted to its culture. Namaskar, I am Rajashree Dwara, a final year student of zoology, a girl who is committed to lifelong learning and one who strongly believe in contributing for women's safety. Carrying on with my passion, I find serenity in music and help in healing. My faith had led me to achieve a title in Bollywood Miss India 2017, gifting dreams in my eyes. Belonging to a land where the heart holds to see nature, shining grace everywhere. I belong to the Sangrila of Northeast India. I belong to my forever Assam. Thank you.